All right, so this is going to be the exercise for the left hand on the two major and the 251 for a major key. So for now, even though on section A1 it starts on the 251 of D major, we're going to start on the 251 for the C major, just so it's easier for you to start. But eventually we'll just play as it is, okay? And again, I'm going to send you a track so that you can practice along with that. But we're going to start with the 251 of C major 7th. So it's the one we've been working on. So it'll be D, which is the root of D minor, and C, which would be the 7th of D minor 7th. Then we'll play in G, which would be the root of G7, and B, which would be the 3rd. Then we leave our thumb on the B, which will then become our major 7th, and our pinky will come down to C. So we get okay, and from there we're going to move to the 251 of B flat major. So all that we do is now we're looking at C minor 7th. So again, this is C minor 7th. We're taking the two middle keys out, and then we're playing an F, which is just the root and the 3rd, and then again this 3rd becomes the major 7th of B flat. Why? Because it's a half step below the root. So let me play it all together. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to keep going and see how now we'll be playing the 251 for A flat. So now this B major 7th becomes a 2. In other words, a B minor 7th. Okay, so that means that we're going to need a minor 7th. And remember, the minor 7th is a whole step below the root. So the root is B flat. A is a half step. A flat is a whole step. So we're going B flat, minor 7th, E flat 7th, which again, root 3rd. And remember, our 3rd now becomes the major 7th of A flat. So we'll go okay. Now A flat becomes A minor 7th. A flat minor 7th. I'm sorry. So again, our major 7th, we have to go a whole step down. So we're a half step down. Now we're a whole step down. So A flat minor 7th to D flat 7th, which is the same as a C sharp 7th. And again, we're just playing the root and the 3rd. And now our 3rd is going to become the major 7th of what? Major 7th of G flat major 7th. And G flat is also F sharp. So we'll go on 2, 5, 1. Now we're thinking, okay, we have to play it. And remember, G flat is also F sharp. So now let's think it as an F sharp minor 7th. Why? Because F sharp minor 7th is the 2nd of E major. Okay, so A flat minor 7th, and again it's just F sharp and E, then B as my dominant seventh, which is just B and C sharp. And now this, I'm sorry, and D sharp. Now this D sharp is going to become the major seventh of E. So the whole thing will become, okay. And now the 2-5-1 of D major seventh, which would be just E minor seventh, A, and D and C sharp as my root and major seventh. Now remember how I said when we're doing these voicings, we don't want to go past this D flat. As of now, we're breaking that rule just because it's an exercise, but usually when you're actually playing, we wouldn't do that. Okay, so let me go ahead and play with the track, and I'm going to go down, and I guess I'll do it, well, we'll say I'll do it once or twice so you have a better idea. So again, instead of starting with the A minor 7, we're going to start with the D minor 7. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C minor 7, F7, B flat major 7, A flat, A flat major 7. Now minor 7, G sharp major 7. Now minor 7, now E minor 7, A, D. Again, I'm sorry. One last time. Oh, actually, let's leave with that. Sorry for a couple of mistakes there, but that's pretty much your homework. And what I would like for you to do is to start mixing these shell voicings with the voicings on the right hand that we've been practicing. Okay, so you will be going, and then if we're going to a 2-5-1 on B flat, it will be, and remember, you're going from the major 7th to the root. So we're going, and now we're going to play an F. So we go